Alright, may content na naman si Miss O at guguluhin na naman natin yung buhay. So, ang title nito, Top 10 Hardest P-pop Choreographies to Pull Off, and I'm rooting for SB19 na sila yung may pinakamahirap na dance choreography. Kasi 18 ako. Simple lang na usapan, pre. Wala na madaming palabok dyan, no? Okay, so we're gonna watch this Top 10 Hardest Choreographies to Pull Off. Sige nga. Fun fact, Carrera is my favorite song sa BINI. Nice song, man. Nice message.
Welcome to Ms. Mojo, and today
Rebecca!
we're counting down our picks for
Ma'am Rebecca, thank you for the content. You're amazing. Thank you for always making contents about P-pop. Ha? Ma'am Rebecca? Okay, tuloy.
the times P-pop choreographers popped off, creating some of the most iconic dance routines ever.
Alamat! Iwawagay wayang watawat!
Number 10, The Beast, Vision.
I'm the beast, hey, yeah.
Vision pala yung pag-pronounce niyan. Palagi ko na nasa-scroll sa TikTok tong grupo na to. Akala ko Vixon. Vision pala, ang galing pala. Ang angas ng group, pangalan ng group name nila ng Vision, tapos ganyan yung spelling. Napaka-witty.
Yeah, be the best, gotta line up to the rest.
All the keywords that come to mind when you hear the title of this song are conveyed through the choreography. The raw power, steps
Di ko
that
pa
match the
napapanood.
intensity of the punchy beat, and the members' tireless energy make this a fantastic debut single.
You can watch me as I walk, you can say my name. Who's the king, who's the boss, you can go, go, go. My name?
If you recognize hints of K-pop, it is probably because the dance was created by Korean choreographer Kim Tae-young. Kim has worked with some of the best new dancers in K-pop, like ENHYPEN's Nikki and Rise's Shotaro. His fresh perspective, combined with Matt
P-pop ba yung Vision? P-pop ba sila? Hindi ko alam, ha?
Padilla's style and input from Vision's leader C13 brings us an extraordinary piece that's both addictive and memorable.
I'll always be the beast, hey, yeah. I'm the beast, the mighty beast.
Number 9, Wildest Dreams. The
Punyeta, saan yung choreography yung mahirap doon? Ano sinasabi niya lang na yung kanta na yun yung may mahirap na choreography, hindi pala pinakita ano yung saan doon, or yun na yun. Okay. Hindi pinakita, no? O baka yung kanta na yun minimin niya, yung titignan natin para makita natin na, oh, mahirap nga. Ganun ba yun? Sige.
Sun is Falling remix. Nadine Lustre
I need to breathe, falling deep into the water. Stuck in a dream, everything I touch is treasure.
Versatility is her middle name. The original version of this song is an ethereal, calm, and ambient track, whereas the remix is a club banger. This allows Lustre to adopt a whole new persona for the latter's choreography. It's more girl boss than goddess, and is a fabulous look on her.
I'm seeing purple in the sky. I climb so high, the sun is so hot, so hot.
Choreographer MJ Arta, known for his iconic dance group A-Team, paints a fierce and feminine picture, staying true to Nadine's brand. Such a routine requires stamina like no other and qualifies
Damn.
as a solid workout.
First time ko nakita si Nadine Lustre, honestly speaking, di ko alam na kumakanta. Alam ko kumakanta siya pero hindi ko pa siya nakita. Hindi ko pa siya nakita sumayaw, okay. So pinakita dito napakaangas na ng sayaw ni Ma'am Nadine dito. Okay, balikan natin yung Vision, be. Hindi ko nakita yung kanila eh.
It is probably because the dance was created by Korean choreographer Kim Tae-young. Kim has worked
Oo
with
nga.
some of the best new dancers.
Oo nga, mahirap nga. Mahirap nga din. Gagi, hindi ko nakita kanina yun. Okay, balik tayo kay Ma'am Nadine.
Falling deep into the
Number 8, Bang, G22.
Ah, G22!
They're not called P-pop's female alphas for nothing.
Ay, apat sila dyan.
Bang, as you can tell from the name, is a rightfully braggadocious declaration of greatness.
Braggadocious.
That means the vocals, rap, and dance have to be equally impactful to get the message across, which is what makes this routine so challenging.
Bakit kaya nawala yung isa? Sayang naman, maganda sana apat, no? Para even number. Pero okay lang naman, tatlo sila. Pero, bakit kaya?
The choreo is thoroughly demanding, with elements of breakdancing, voguing, burlesque, hip-hop, and dancehall. Add to that the emphatic singing and the rapper's killer flow, and you have the recipe for a work of art. Choreographer AC Lalada knew exactly what she was doing when she brought this song to life with her moves.
Damn! May cramping, oh! Oh!
Number 7, My Mind, Sarah Geronimo featuring
Sarah,
Billy Crawford.
automatic yan?
Philippines pop star royalty doesn't play about her choreography.
Ha,
Sarah
legit.
G, who is best known for being an ace in
Sorry, no? Pero I think, when you talk about Sarah Geronimo, I think she was here even before us, di ba? Napaka-punyeta ng isang sa. I think, yung P-pop din na hindi niya lang nalabas yung P-pop na pangalan kasi SB19 yung gumawa ng We Are The Originators. Pero wala pa yung pangalan na yun, yung idea pa lang, Sarah G is doing it, man. What the fuck, man. Yung tala, yung kilometrong layo, Sarah G, man. Whew! Let's go.
the entertainment industry, sets the dance floor on fire with this one.
I got my fantasies, wanna make it reality.
The influences of artists like Janet Jackson, EXO's Kai, and Lay Zhang are evident. But what impresses the most is Sarah's signature smoothness and swagger.
Legit.
She's a performer of the highest order, and it
Legit.
shows with how easily she takes on this routine by star choreographer J. Joseph Roncesvalles.
May bili pa, no?
Her lines are
Damn.
ultra-clean expressions on point, and each step is charged with intention. The sheer degree of perfection is classic Sarah Geronimo. Meanwhile, Billy brings a dash of charm with his
Wala.
street style segment, making us
Ano ba ano mo kay Billy Crawford, assistant ni Michael Jackson yun sa sayaw? Di ba? One of the best yan. Tapos, sa Pilipinas, tinitingnan mo siya actor, TV host, pero dun sa Italy ba yun? Europe? Di ko alam, basta sa ibang bansa. Napakasikat ni Billy Crawford. Ngayon nga, as of this moment, napakasikat niya doon, grabe, pinagkakaguluhan siya doon. Bonjour, ano ba yung Bonjour? Doon na bansa yun eh. Italy. Man, parang ganun. Napakasikat niya doon, man. At syempre, man, napaka-versatile ng tao na yan. Singer, dancer, everything. Sarah Geronimo pa, may napaka-bastos ng duo na to. And I didn't even know na meron silang kanta together. Damn, okay.
What a pair.
Damn. Okay.
Number 6, 5678.
Kaya.
Despite being widely known as SB19's sister group, this P-pop girl band
SB19 Sister Group? Hindi ba yung G22 yun? Hindi ko alam yun ha. Kaya pala yung SB19 Sister Group. Okay. Sana gumawa yung kaya. Hindi ko wala pang napapanood sa kanila kasi natututukan ko pa lang SB19 tsaka G22 eh. Kapanood ako ng konting B, ng konting BGYO. Alamat. Pero kaya hindi pa. Pero sana maglabas sila ng Cebu Pacific. Thank you. Ha? I-sponsor mo kaya ako. Daan ka ng daan eh. Sana kaya if somebody can tell you. Sana gumawa kayo ng kanta na ang title Kayang-Kaya. Ay, kayang-kaya ko, kayang-kaya ko, kayang-kaya natin to. Ganun ba? Kasi kaya yung pangalan niya eh. Tapos yung title, Kayang-Kaya. Kayang-kaya to, we can do this, yeah. Mga ganun, no?
Number 6, 5678, Kaya. Despite being
5678.
widely known as SB19's sister group, this P-pop girl band is finding their own color. The strength of this dance routine comes from the synergy of the group.
Be on my own, hey, wag kang tuliro. I'm never ever gonna need ya, yeah.
Each Kaya member executes their part flawlessly, but at the same time, they're all in tune with each other. Despite having no scope for rest, they look like they barely broke a sweat. That's part of why the dance break is even more impressive. Just when you think the girls couldn't get any more fired up, the choreo hits harder.
I'm ready to go 5, 6, 7, 8.
Renowned artists Aaron Jazz Rances and Kenshin Tabion did a great job of matching their choreo to the band's praised skills. As for us, we might be better suited to admiring than attempting.
5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. What you gonna do? What you
Napakaganda ng mga babaeng ito. Napaka-cute ng dating nila. Tsaka yung aura nila, nararamdaman mo din eh, no? Damn. Hindi pa ako nakakapanood sa kanila, no? Pero definitely napakaangas nung ano nila, nung galaw nila, yung mukha nila. Parang nag-ano sila sa'yo na we can do this shit too. Amazingly. Parang gano'n. Parang in-amplify nila sa mukha mo.
As for us, we might be better suited to admire than attempting.
5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Number 5, Carrera, Beanie. For the girl group that captivated
Number 5 ang Beanie. Ba't number 5 ang Beanie? Ano ba ibang P-pop group? Number 5. Choreography, no? Hardest, sa bagay, medyo madali lang din naman yung mga ano nila. Pero iconic yung choreography ng Beanie, ah. Salamin was a hit. What the Man, salamin! Punyeta! Salamin, tararat. Ang tropiko. Yung salamin talaga yung pinakamalala. So bagay, hardest. Okay, number 5 lang. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Nakala ko mga number 2 or number 3 yung Beanie, ah.
global fans, having Class A choreography comes as no surprise. The Beanie members have made a name.
Let me just say this. Ang simple man ng choreography ng Beanie. Napakahayop naman nila sa synchronization. Napakabastos. Synchronization is 100%. Napakabastos ng mga babaeng ito.
For
Minsan inalilimutan ko nga sandali. Ay nga lang simli.
Minsan nadali na problema. Puta, dama mo ng kaluluwa mo eh. Yung lyrics, yung pitik ng katawan, sabay sa beat.
Beanie members have made a name for their dancing skills, but their performance in Carrera is a cut above the rest.
Minsan inalilimutan ko nga sandali. Ay nga lang simli.
What the fuck?
Don't underestimate the difficulty level from how bright and airy this routine looks. The footwork is intricate, and it must require immense core strength to keep up the fast pace. Clearly, they put in the hours, and it paid off. Number 4, No Way Man, MNL48. Any choreography could get 100 times harder if you have to do it with a group. When the group is as large as MNL48, that task understandably becomes Herculean.
Daling pusa dahil hindi nila problema. Why? Oh, why?
For this track, 16 members come together. They allow zero room for error. The breathless dance routine of No Way Man, filled with kicks, lifts, jumps, and twirls, belongs in an aerobics class. The emphasis on upper body movements is sure to leave your arms sore, if you're even able to make it till the end of the song, that is. So unless you're gonna give this dance a try while coordinating 15 others and singing, we wouldn't recommend calling it easy. Number 3,
Damn.
What? SB19.
Let's just give a round of applause to MNL48, no? Napakagrabe nga nun. Mga ano yan, mga forefathers of P-pop din yan. Sila din yung mga nauna. Foremothers.
We wouldn't recommend calling it easy. Number 3, What? SB19. Arguably the biggest P-pop boy group's most difficult choreography is made by their very own member Stell, alongside Tank Bautista. Now, that's a flex if we've ever seen one. What boasts a complex and original routine that keeps up with all the tempo changes while maintaining coherence. Stell
Sobrang ganda nun, no? Complex and original routine. So, napaganda nun. If you hear that in the same sentence, complex and original, man, dapat proud ka, putik na yan. Original mo yun eh.
if we've ever. What boasts a complex and original routine that keeps up with all the tempo changes while maintaining coherence. Stell and Tank's composition shows clear understanding of each member's strengths and helps them shine in ways only they can.
Sobrang dali ng hangin na aking agit, suot pa rin ibang papanggap
The steps are explosive, but there are moments of levity that bring the piece together. Most importantly, you can tell they're having fun. Gento might have gone viral, but
I don't know kung sino yung top 2 tsaka top 1. Meron, baka Alamat tsaka BGYO. Okay. Akala ko SB19 yung top 1. Bias! Punyeta! Napaka-bias mo, Curbs! Pero akala ko SB19. Pero Alamat, BGYO, I think. Okay din.
what deserves its flowers too. In fact, a what dance challenge might be harder.
Nasa dungka na tayo.
Maharani, Alamat.
Maharani? Mahirap ba yung steps ng Maharani? By the way, another fun fact, Maharani is one of my most favorite songs of all time. Of all time! Holy shit, man, when I heard this shit, sabi ko, punyeta, may mararating tong grupo na to if they continue this kind of songs. Syempre, no? Medyo may nakita akong pinakabagong kantata ng Alamat. I don't know kung yun yung pinakabagong labas nila. Medyo nag-off-brand sila. Hindi ko alam kung bakit naging ganon. Not my liking, no? Personally. Pero baka nag-experiment sila and that's good. Pero I thought i-continue nila yung parang Maharani, tapos Dagundong, which is amazing too. Makita mo yung music video ng Dagundong, masabi mo sa sarili, masampal mo yung sarili mo talaga. Ganon kalaki yung respeto ko sa Alamat. Pero medyo nag-off-brand sila ngayong hindi ko lang alam kung medyo nag-modernize ba sila. Pero yung sayang yung image nila as the most cultural P-pop group. Most cultural appropriate or parang pinaka-Pilipino, kung ako lang magsasabi, no? Sila yung pinaka-Pilipino na dating at culturally talaga very hayag yung pagiging cultural nila. Sana makontinue nila tong kagayang Maharani tsaka Dagundong. Hindi ko sila nasusundan ngayon pero I hope na ganun yung gawin nila. Because I root for them. Napakagagaling na mga taong to. Multilingual. Ang galing magsulat ng kanta. Very underrated. Hindi ko alam kung ba't number 2 siya. Masayo ng Maharani. Tadadada ng iyong mga mata. Sinaktan ka na naman pala.
Pop group that has made it their mission to showcase the richness of Filipino culture on the world stage. It is this one. Alamat has a special fondness for incorporating traditional Pinoy art forms in their work.
Ben! Oo nga, ang ganda.
Folk dances like Pangale, Takik, and Veneracion inspired choreographer Jim Amen from Maharani. Without a keen eye to spot...
Sayang, no? Nung siguro nagawa to ni Miss O nung lumabas yung dam, siguro nag-number 1 tayo. Pero what tsaka Gento, totoo naman din. Gento, pang TikTok siya na dating, pang masa ganun. Yung what? Paano ba? Oo, mahirap din siya. Pero sa tingin ko kung naano yung dam, yun yung pinakamahirap siguro. Sa tingin ko. Kung lumabas yun, baka number 1. Kasi kung compare ko siya sa Maharani, mas mahirap yun. Pero Maharani, definitely bangs. Ngayon ko lang naalala yung dance move, napakaganda nga. Ang galing talaga, ang galing ng pagkagawa ng kanta, ng chorus, pati yung sayaw sa chorus, ang ganda. Okay.
Influences, which are blended with Western styles, you might think this routine is just another one of their
Kita mo
visual...
yan? Yung forma nila. Ganyan din yung dating nila sa Dagundong, very Filipino. Talaga, very outright. Very hayag. Tapos may nakita akong bagong labas nila na parang colored na sila. Parang silang Christmas light. Parang kung ikukumpara ko sila kung naging babae sila, parang silang beanie na makulay masyado. Hindi ko alam kung nag-experiment sila. It's alright, pero para sa akin, parang hindi ko sila nakilala. Kasi hindi ko na sila nasundan. Pero hindi ko lang alam sa mga fans nila kung kung nasundan nila yon and it's fine with them. Pero sa akin, parang nag-off-brand sila yung dating. Hindi ko sinasabing napakapangit na ng dating, pero hindi naman ganoon. Pero malayo lang siya sa dati at parang hindi ako sanay. Kasi ito talaga sobrang pag nakita ko parang putik na yan. Parang ano ba, grabe talaga na sobrang na-amaze talaga ako nitong time na to, no?
Masterpieces. However, if you know, you know. Try covering the dance and you'll quickly find out just how detailed the traditional steps are and the utter grace
Traditional.
needed to pull them off. Before we continue,
Ang
be
ganda
sure
ng
to
logo
subscribe
nila,
to
no?
our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. You have the option to be notified for occasional videos or all of them. If you're on your phone, make sure you go into your settings and switch on notifications.
Oh, tama na!
Number
Subscribe na ako.
1, Magnet, BGYO.
BGYO.
This multi-talented boy group is second to none.
Legit, I've seen videos of them dati. Na hindi ko na din sila nasusundan ngayon. Wala na akong... Nakasilip-silip ako minsan. Pero yung ano nila ngayon, medyo hindi ko siya masakyan. Yung mga... magaling pa rin naman sila, pero yung mga unang shit din nila yung gusto ko. Ngayon medyo... tawag nito, pinapanood-panood ko na lang din naman. So alright din naman, nag-experiment din sila. Pero very break dance heavy ang BGYO. At sa tingin ko dun sila talaga bumubuhos ng power nila at hirap. Kasi halos lahat ng kanta nilang napanood ko dati na nare-react ko, binababoy nila yung dance floor. Napaka-grabe nung ng BGYO. So understandable na number 1 sila dito.
When it comes to dance, Brian Puspos, who was once dubbed Male
Doon
Choreographer
sila
of the Year by
nag-focus
World of
sa
Dance
sayaw.
and has created pieces for BTS, delivers an electric routine that's impossible to forget.
Para sa lang pag-ibig di na kaya pang labanan yan. Patubalani ka, bigabighani, patuloy lang naalig sa pag-ibig mo magil.
It certainly helps that the BGYO members are outstanding dancers who bring an undeniable elan to every move. They alternate between a dashing allure and a rugged manliness, and so does the dance.
Pag nawala ka, di na mapagaling.
Woo! Putang ina mo.
We get popping and locking, romantic body rolls, and even a hint of tutting. Don't be surprised to find some Fred Astaire-inspired bits either. This is P-pop dance at its finest, and we love to see it.
Pa rin sa'yo kapag ganyan ay hindi na magkakalayo, di na mabubuo.
Ang angas ng voicing nila dyan.
Who do you think is the best dancer in P-pop? Sound off in the comments down below.
I don't
Philip?
care anymore. I'm ready to go 5, 6, 7, 8.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out
Yeah, oo na. Thank you, Miss Mojo for that content. That was nice. Okay, understandable list, no? At this just shows na napakamakulay na yung P-pop. Napakagagaling ng mga P-pop groups na sa Pilipinas. May nag-grow na talaga yung ating tawag nito, makulay na makulay ang P-pop ngayon. And I hope for the betterment na talagang magkaisa talaga siya ng, alam mo yun, ng maganda. And I hope na magkaroon ng maturity, magkaroon ng, alam mo yun, maging, kasi yung mga idols nakasalalay din sa kanila somehow ang sanity ng kanilang supporters. And I hope na, kasi with great power comes great responsibility, and I hope maintindihan nyo ng lahat ng fans na talagang meron talaga namang competition. Puta, mas magaling kami, mga ganon. Understandable lang, kasi kung akong tatanungin mo, pinakamagaling SB19 sa lahat. Normal yan, di ba? Kasi nga bias ko yun. Diba, bias mo yung BINI, bias mong BGYO, bias mong Alamat. Sasabihin mo din namang pinakamagaling yun sa'yo, and we call that healthy competition. Kaya sana, ganun yung mangyari sa P-pop. Hilaan pataas pa rin. Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa masasabing ganun, pero I hope for the near future, maging mature ang idols at maging mature din ang fans para isipin nila na hindi porket arguably sikat yung BINI at SB19 ngayon, hindi porket ganun, tinatapakan sila. Hinihila natin sila pataas. Sana ganun yung maging status ng pag-iisip ng fans pati ng ibang idols, kasi ang sinusundan ko lang naman yung SB19 At masasabi ko naman talaga na tinatry nilang makikipag-collab sa mga P-pop groups. I don't know sa ibang groups, no, pero I can only say about what I see. And sana yun ang hiling ko sa P-pop, magkaroon ng pagkakaisa na talagang hindi plastic, talagang alam mo yun, respeto lang at pagmamahal. So this is an 18 saying kahit ano pa mang fandom ka nandyan, yakap pa rin. At di ba, sinasabi ko naman, di naman ako nagpapaka-plastic. Pag sinabing magaling, magaling. Pag sinabing maganda, maganda. So I hope this is objective, all of my comments. Sana masaya kayo at mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo, mga punyeta. Napapagod na ako, 30 minutes. Ang dami mong sinabi kasi. Ha? So, subscribe for more. Maraming salamat. This has been Carlos Page and you have been amazing.